Hi students, welcome. In this video, we will understand two methods of object selection in AutoCAD. So here, let's see first method here. Here, see, this is suppose an object here and I want to select these all circles at a time. Okay, so first method is we need to select the object from right to left selection method. So for that I'm clicking on the clicking my mouse button here like that. See here, this rectangle has been generated and I'm dragging this my cursor up to this circle, as you can see here, and object has been selected. Okay, I'm escaping now. See here, again I have selected the object. Okay, now I'm also at the end I will highlight you the difference of two methods. Now let's see the second method. For that, see here, I want to select this circle. So second method is I will select the object by clicking here again by mouse button like that, and see here rectangle has been generated and I will drag my cursor all over these circles which I want to select here, as you can see here. So object has been selected. So now see here the difference between these two methods. So as you can see here, in the first method I have clicked here and dragged my cursor. As you can see here, all the circles has been selected. Even my this rectangle is gone through small portion of these all circles. Still the all circles has been selected. Okay, so I'm clicking, as you can see here all the circles has been selected. So this is the one difference here. And see here, when I click from left to right, see here I'm clicking left and circle rectangle has been generated and I'm going to the circles, as you can see here partially. So in all the circles, as you can see here, my cursor is going through the small portion of all the circles as per previous. But here, as you can see here, object has not been selected. I'm clicking here. As you can see here, object has not been selected. In the first method, as you can see here, object being selected. In the second method, as you can see here, the object is not selected. So in the second method, for second methods, we need to drag our cursor all over the circles. As you can see here, we need to completely select the circle. Okay, so here see, can see here, then and only then the object has been selected. Suppose I am selecting the circle like this, and as you can see here, in last outermost two circles are not completely selected. That's why they will not be selected. As you can see here, they are still not unselected here. So let's see here in this. Okay, now see here, I'm going from right to left, as you can see here, and I'm selecting like this. Okay, as you can see here, the objects has been selected. Okay, and I'm clicking from here to here, object is not selected. Let's take an example of this table. Okay, I'm going from right to left. As you can see here, even if I have selected that much portion, when I go from right to left, as you can see here, from top to bottom or from bottom to top, as you can see here, the whole table has been selected. So when I go from left to right, see here, object is not selected, as you can see here. When I partially select the table, okay, I need to select all the table. I need to move my cursor all over the table to select the object when I go from left to right, as you can see here. Okay students, So students, in this video we have understood about how to select object in AutoCAD. Here we have understood the two methods of object selection. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.